What's going on, family? We're working on a fire pit today. I believe this is called the Ethan fire pit. I already assembled the outside ring, attacked my little spacers in. Now we're about to get ready to assemble the inside ring, and then we got the top and the bottom to do. So this is pretty neat. Show you the print, pretty much how it lays out. We got a bottom ring with some feet to put on. The outside and the spacers are in, and we still got to put the top ring on. That's pretty much how it comes together though. So I like to assemble everything, get it all tacked up, and then normally I'll fall back and do all the welding once I'm done. But we're about to dive into this. Let y'all check me out. Right here. Hammer down there.